Welcome back, everybody. Back to this '08 Focus that I got for free. What we're doing is, my brother needs a car, so he's going to take this one. He gave me that Malibu up there, but I want to make this easier for him to start. So this is going to be a how-to video, kinda. So, yeah, you can see this thing. Whoo, buddy. Smells like, I don't even know. So, the problem is, you got to put the key in. No starty. You got to wiggle the key around and everything else, and after a while it'll start. So what we're going to do, instead of replacing the ignition switch and all of this crap, I'm going to show you a little hack to bypass this. Stay tuned. First thing I did, I unplugged this. This goes up here to the ignition switch. And I'm pretty sure we're looking for the wire, the blue wire with the white stripe. That's our starter. So technically all we have to do is turn the key on, put 12 volts to this wire, and it'll start every time. So everything I have here costs like 20 bucks. Push button. Don't use these unless it's an emergency. This thing's a beater. So this is all he's going to use it for. It's just a beater. So these. Splice. And some circle terminals. Now, if you wanted to make this a permanent fix, by all means, solder your wires and everything else. But we're not looking for a permanent. We're looking for a quick. So I'm going to pull up a wiring diagram. And a good trick for finding wiring diagrams on these that you don't pay for is go to remote start websites, because you got to tap into these wires anyways. They always have a good wiring diagram. Alright, so I'm going to get spliced into that one and figure out which one of these are power constant. Alright, white and blue, white and brown. So I'm gonna snip on these quick connectors with 2 shreds of wire, and we'll see if we can't get this thing to go. See, I could just delete the other video and not show you this, but I make mistakes just like everyone else. I'm not a professional, so it's not the white and brown. Oh, excuse me, I burped. It is the blue and the red that you need to splice into. So, like I said, this is a piece of shit anyways. I mean, it ain't worth nothing. But this will get you by. These lock cylinders and all that ignition switch crap, it is stupid expensive if you wanted to go buy it. So, we got our wires connected. This one's a little loose, but oh well. We got them connected. Push button. Mind you, this is for my little brother. He's just going to use this to get back and forth to work. Key in. You turn the key to the on position. Or, I'm sorry, to the run. And then hit our button. Runs like trash. Not really. It doesn't run that bad. It'll get my little brother from point A to point B, and that's all he needs. So now let's go on a test drive on this beater. Oof. I think my tire might be flat again. I wonder if the air works. So, power. Dude, all these buttons are fucking sticky. It's actually blowing half cold. As I got stuff blown in my face. Alright guys, hopefully this helped you. Like I said, quick, easy. We'll try it again. Shut it off. Holy shit! That was a big old wasp. He wasn't happy. Now watch, try to start it with the key. Sometimes it would start, but you had to wiggle it and everything else. All the lights went off, the F light, everything. Hit your button. Runs like a top. So now what I'll do is I'll tape these connections up, tape it all up for them, and then I'll just like hang it right here. It ain't worth it. I mean, it's just a beater. This will get you out of a pinch if you have a beater. If this helped you guys out, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and mind you, this is only about 20 bucks. Have a great day, guys.